Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab with another banger, guys. And you see from what we're doing today, you see from the title what we're doing today, guys. Yeah, man, today we got one from two artists that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, they came with a collab, and yo, I wasn't even expecting this one. A lot of collabs going on, and that's what I want to see in dancehall, man. Artists linking up, making good music, bro. So, yeah, man, today we got Teebone and Pablo IG, the one entitled Leader, and we're going to check it out and see what I'm going today. Yeah, man, I don't know. Teebone, Pablo IG, no stranger to the channel. Them both very talented artists. They're in their, well, I say, sophomore years in dancehall. So, yeah, man, they're doing their thing, man. I'm glad to see it. They got their own buzz and their own energy and style. So, I want to see how they link up and you know, make this work. But, yeah, man, if you guys, before we jump in the track, you don't know, I got to check in with my family. You damn Mafia family, how y'all doing today, man? How y'all been doing? Y'all been staying prayed up? Been drinking water? Been taking care of yourself? How's your mental health, man? I hope y'all taking care of yourself out there, man. I hope y'all, you know, staying prayed up, and you've been staying on your grind, on your goals, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're staying on your purpose, man. You only got one life to live, so I want you to make every day count and make the most of it. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys. Like I said, today we're dealing with Pablo and Teebone. You see me, Pablo YG and Teebone, the one I entitled Leader. Yeah, man, Pablo IG, I don't know. Pablo IG, you know, he got his own buzz, yo. Maria, enough tune Pablo IG or Maria, you see me, I don't know. Damn, right, I'm drawing a blank right now. But yeah, man, even my intro, you know, Pablo IG, he been doing his thing. Enough song right now. I'm drawing blanks right now for some reason, dog. But yeah, man, anyway, I jump right now, chat. This is Teebone and Pablo IG, Leader. Let's get it.
Room. Yo, Teebone. There you go. Young Temple Bass.
Skate off like Beamer. Them know say we a leader. Yeah, dog and run fast. Skate off like Beamer. Them know say we a leader. My spliff cut through the sunroof, dog and the crown move fast. YG.
Skate off like Beamer, you know we a leader.
First me woman making never legal. Act like you need a
Scheme Bass.
I press the ground till the tire peel off. Speed off.
Fuck them.
What that pound sneakers? Libertine, coming tease, Louis V. 17 full of guillotine. Ratchet up free, double D.
Easy now, man. I want the 17 for like guillotine, be yourself.
Sell pussy, but she still give me free, dog. My full of gal, I me no know me do it. Me just book a bitch and she ask me how me clean, so she had tell me say she high, but her friend
just book a gal and she ask me how me clean, so I'm to be yourself. Hey.
Need drugs, two gal and I'm a bed, but call it a threesome. Wanna video me and one of them a eat gum. Wanna dog shit, I wanna say.
Yo, easy now, man. Nah, you have to say it like that to a dog, but easy.
She need love, Glock you want chippy limited, they need jump. Wrap it up and Pablo make it speak tongue. He drove it clean in a Versace. I'm on it on my shirt, me no go arcade. Yo, me always clean, so me no want be here. I'm not see me enemy.
Always clean, so me no want, hey, I'm here.
Them know say we a leader. Spliff cut through the sunroof, dog, and it gun move fast.
Why to the sunroof, dog, and it gun move fast. Man, hey, I'm told man a leader around here. Hey.
Bring it up and look at Caesar. Pizza. She want to make it come up bang. My money no fi can run.
She want to bang calling girl, hey.
True bank, I'm a dial, I burn up a guy, run too long. Just book a goon and run through stuff. My money up, it can't hold in my bag. We bring a gas, it can't hold in night tank. It's for them full of gonna think.
Money up, it can't hold in night bag. Yeah, my weed full up, it can't full of gas, it can't hold in night tank.
Say a boom duck, say girl your pussy fat, it can't hold in your tank. Line the too explicit fee go in night song. If she put
girl your pussy. Girl your fat, it can't hold in your tongue. The line is too exquisite, it can't hold in your song. Too explicit, it can't hold in your song.
Say expensive, I'm going on my rock, yeah, my run up to nobody. We going now, we have money. Come and speed past my them know say we a leader. Spliff cut through the sunroof, dog, and the crown move fast. YG, what's me woman making never legal.
This bad. They made a great collab. Oh, easy, no man.
I can't hear that. Jerry press the ground till the tire peel off. Speed off. Yo, I want that pound sneakers. See that.
Easy now, man. I like this. Yeah, man, this a vibe. When I go to the I go for the playlist. Easy. Yeah, man. Pablo, IG, Teebone, Leader, mad thing. They made a wicked collab, bro. Yeah, man, they made a wicked collab, man. They work well clear. That was a cohesive blend. Yeah, man, that man. Guys, when we know anything about that one there, yeah, man, that was Teebone. Pablo IG, Leader. That one that lit, guys. I know one thing about that one in the comment section, man. That's lit. That one might get added to the playlist, you know what I'm saying? What was your favorite part? And was it the song, the beat, the melody? You know what I'm saying? Was it the video? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they work well together. I hope they make more hits. I hope they collab more. You know what I'm saying? That was vibe. That sound like a summer song too. You know what I'm saying? Summer song, even after summer. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, definitely a vibe, guys. Let me know anything about that one. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Link will be in the description. You know what I'm saying? Make you know so Jambisco dancing, you know. And let me know what to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, and you don't know, as usual, if your suggestion is selected, you will see your name on on screen, and you get your shout out and all that. See your comments, all that. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys, let me know what to react to next, and until next time, it is your boy Jambisco here, and I hit and smash on a banger. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.